Today, I'm going to help you master Gmail. Whether you just opened your account today or you have been using it for years but feel like you are not using it in the smartest way, let's quickly tour the interface. Up here on the top left, you will see the three lines. That's the main menu. If you click it, it hides the site labels and gives you more reading space. Click it again and everything comes back. Very useful on small screens. Now look at your inbox tabs. Gmail automatically organizes your emails for you. Primary is your personal emails. Socials is for things like social media alerts, and promotion is where ads and newsletters usually go. This keeps your inbox from becoming a mess. On the top right corner, you will see a small grid icon. Many people call this the waffle. When you click it, you can jump between Gmail, YouTube, Google Drive, and other Google apps in seconds. On the far right side, there's a slim bar with icons. That's your quick access panel. From here, you can open Google Calendar, write notes in Keep, or manage your tasks, all without leaving your email. And one more helpful thing, if you use more than one Gmail account, like personal and work, just click your profile picture in the top right. From there, you can switch accounts instantly without logging out. Let's talk about writing emails. To start a new message, click the big compose button on the top left. A small window appears in the corner. If you want more space, click the double arrows to make it full screen. In the to field, you type the person's email address. You'll also see CC and BCC. Use BCC when you want to include someone without the other people seeing their email address. Always write a subject line. It's professional and it tells the person what the email is about before they even open it. As you type, Gmail might show light gray suggestions. That's a smart compose. If you like the suggestion, just press tab and Gmail finishes the sentence for you. Start your email with a professional greeting. In your first sentence, clearly explain why you are writing. People appreciate direct communication. For formatting, click the capital A at the bottom. You can make text bold, change size, or add bullet points to make your email easier to read. If you are not ready to send, just close the window. Gmail automatically saves everything in drafts, so nothing gets lost. And for sensitive information, there is confidential mode. This lets you set an expiration date and prevents the receiver from forwarding, copying, or downloading the email. Now let's look at how to add files, photos, and links to your emails. If you want to send a file from your computer, just click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the message window. You can also drag a file straight from your desktop and drop it into the email. That's usually faster. Gmail does have a size limit though. Regular attachments can only be up to 25 megabytes. If your file is bigger than that, don't worry. Click the Google Drive triangle icon. The Gmail will send the file as a drive link instead. If you want a photo to appear inside the email, not as an attachment, use the insert photo button. It looks like little mountains. After adding the picture, you can click it to resize it or move it where you want. To add a website link, highlight any text, click the insert link button and paste the website address. Text becomes clickable, and when someone sends you a file, just hover your mouse over the attachment. You can download it to your computer or save it straight to Google Drive, which helps keep your device storage free. Let's talk about managing emails once they arrive. When you want to answer someone, just click reply. That sends your response only to the person who originally emailed you. But if there are multiple people in a conversation and your message is important for everyone, use reply all. That way, the whole group stays informed. Here's a pro tip many people don't know. When you hit reply, Gmail usually removes the original attachments to save space. So if you need to send that same file again, don't reply. use forward instead. Forward keeps the attachment included. Forwarding is also the best option when you want to share an email or file with someone who wasn't part of the original conversation. Now imagine you send an email and instantly notice a mistake. Don't panic. At the bottom of the screen, you will see undo. Click it quickly and the email comes back. You can even go into settings and extend this undo time from 5 seconds up to 30 seconds. If you don't want to disturb someone late at night or on a weekend, use the scheduled send. Click the small arrow next to the send button and choose the date and time. The email will be delivered automatically. And if you receive an email but can't deal with it right now, click the clock icon to snooze it. The email disappears and then returns to the top of your inbox at the time you choose. You can always find your snoozed or scheduled emails in a left menu whenever you need them. Now let's organize your inbox like a pro. Gmail uses labels, which are different from normal folders. With folders, an email can only be in one place. But with labels, one email can have multiple tags. You create a new label, look at the left side, and click the plus sign next to labels. You can even color your labels. Just click the 3 dots next to the label name and choose a color. If you want to mark an email for follow-up, click the star icon next to it. In Gmail settings, you can enable different colored stars or symbols to show different levels of importance. Now, here is something many people confuse: archive versus delete. When you click archive, the email disappears from your inbox but it stays in all mail, so you can still search and find it later. But when you click delete, it goes to the trash and will be permanently removed after 30 days. So only delete emails you are sure you don't need anymore. Now let's look at a few tools that make you look more professional and save you a lot of time. First, your email signature. A signature makes your email look official. Go to settings, then see all settings. In the general tab, scroll down until you find signature. Click create, new, give it a name and add your details like your full name, phone number, job title, or business name. Then set it as a default for new emails and don't forget to hit save changes at the bottom. Next are templates. These are perfect if you often send similar replies. First, go to settings and enable templates in the advanced tab. After that, when you are writing an email, click the 3 dots at the bottom of the message window, choose templates and save your text. Next time, you can insert the same message in one click. And finally, the vacation responder. If you are going away or unavailable, scroll to the bottom of the general settings tab and turn this on. Choose your dates and write a short message. Gmail will automatically reply to anyone who emails you, letting them know you are out of the office. Let me show you one of Gmail's most powerful features: search. The search bar at the top is very smart. You can type a person's name, a word from the email, or even part of a subject line to find emails instantly. If you want more control, click the small filter icon inside the search bar. From there, you can search by date, file size, or only emails with attachments. But here's where Gmail becomes really powerful: filters. From the same search area, click create filter. This lets you set rules. For example, emails from a certain person can automatically get a label, escape the inbox, or go straight to archive. Once set up, Gmail does the sorting for you. Finally, let's make Gmail comfortable for you. Click the gear icon to open quick settings. Here you can change the density to see more emails on your screen or choose different theme to change the background. You can also adjust your inbox layout. Try and read first if you want new emails to stay on top, or turn on the reading pane to preview emails beside your message list. And that's it. You know now how to use Gmail like a pro. The more you practice these features, the easier they become. Drop a comment and tell me what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.